Okay, we're going to move on to the Ruger AR556 MPR. And I know it seems a little unfair because the first window's already got some cracks in it there, but we're going to try this out, see if we can break through that. I'm feeling pretty good about it. I think we're going to get a couple of pass-throughs here. Well, from here it doesn't look like we got any further than we did on the first two. But that's why we're doing this test, to find out what actually goes through them. Well, that is a tiny hole. But it got to the second window.
Ooh.
Actually, it went through the second window.
Ooh.
So we've got a hole in the second window now. Like I said before the shot, it might be a little unfair because this is already softened up, haven't been shattered, but now we've got through the two. But I'll tell you what, once we get to this pilot windshield, these two pilot windshields, they're much heavier than these side windows, so I think you're going to see a dramatic difference. At this point, I think what we're realizing is velocity plus grain weight makes a big difference, because we went from the 40 grain 5.7 to a 62 grain green tip on the 5.56, and yeah, the difference between those two is obvious